Hi, I'm Holly, and I have a really happy marriage. But one of the things that was always a little bit of a thorn in our sides was financial planning. We disagreed. I really wanted to use a financial planner, a company. My husband felt like the expectation of paying 1% of your total wealth each year um, was really problematic, especially because each time that we would go to a financial planner, and we tried out a few over our 30 plus years of marriage now, um, the tailored advice wasn't really very tailored. A lot of mistakes seemed like they were being made, and we didn't feel like we were getting what we were theoretically paying for. So, anyway, one day we're sitting in a meeting with our financial planner, and she's made a mistake, which is fine. I mean, people do. But she starts moving the sliders on her software. And I'm watching this and I'm thinking, I think I could move sliders too. So I went home and I did a little research. I looked at all of the available financial planning software tools that I could find on the market, and MaxiFi really stood out to me. I purchased it and I started moving the sliders. And you know what? I was able to, with some help, from office hours and things like that, and a lot of reading, I was able to create a financial plan that I felt like was actually tailored to our needs and actually really helped us understand what we needed to do. And we needed to do things differently. And I think we learned a lot about ourselves and a lot about our goals by talking to each other and creating a financial plan together. I highly recommend office hours. I highly recommend Jay as a co-pilot. And I think MaxiFi has been a really wonderful tool for our financial plans, and I hope for our future.